In this video, we listed the 5 best large 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ELEGOO Neptune Max 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune for Max is a high-performance 3D printer designed for ambitious creators, featuring a spacious build volume of 16.53 inches by 16.53 inches by 18.89 inches, 420 by 420 by 480 millimeters, that accommodates large models or multiple smaller objects. Weighing 16 kilograms and constructed from durable metal, it boasts advanced printing capabilities with a dual-gear direct drive extruder that ensures powerful filament feeding and reduced clogging risks. The printer incorporates precision technologies such as input shaping and acceleration sensors for automatic calibration, enhancing printing accuracy and detail. Its high-temperature nozzle, equipped with a 60W ceramic heating element, allows for the use of various filament materials, including PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and nylon. Additionally, the Neptune for Max features efficient cooling systems to prevent warping and improve print quality, along with versatile connectivity options like Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN for easy operation and file transfers. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra Max 3D Printer is a robust and versatile machine designed for both hobbyists and professionals, featuring a generous build volume of 17.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches, 450 by 400 by 400 millimeters, that caters to a wide range of creative projects. It incorporates a self-developed Anycubic LeviQ leveling function for easy and precise auto-leveling, enhancing user experience by simplifying setup with a one-button operation. With a maximum printing speed of 180 millimeters per second, the Kobra Max significantly accelerates the printing process, allowing users to enjoy quicker results. Its sturdy construction, aided by a double-thread Z-axis, minimizes vibrations and preserves model detail, while a modular design enables assembly in just 10 minutes. Additionally, the printer features a filament runout detection system to prevent interruptions during printing and is equipped with a 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen for intuitive operation. Backed by Anycubic's commitment to customer satisfaction, the Kobra Max also includes lifetime technical support and 24-hour professional service, making it a reliable choice for 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 3. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C upgraded 3D printer is a high-performance machine designed for both hobbyists and professionals, featuring a sturdy aluminum construction in a sleek silver finish. Compactly sized at 7 inches in diameter, width, and height, this 18-kilogram printer offers an impressive maximum printing speed of 600 millimeters per second, making it one of the faster options in the market. It boasts fully automatic leveling for added convenience, along with a dual-gear direct extruder that enhances printing precision and material handling. The K1C also supports a larger printing capacity of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, enabling users to create more extensive projects straight out of the box, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of 3D printing applications. Number 4. Raise 3D Pro 3 Plus Printer. The Raise 3D printer from the brand 3D PrintLife is a versatile and high-performance printing solution designed to handle a wide array of materials, including wood, glass, and various plastics such as PLA and ABS. With impressive product dimensions of 24.6-inch dx 24.4 wx 43.5 h and build volumes of up to 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 23.8 inches for single prints, it is equipped for large-scale projects. The printer features advanced functionalities like auto bed leveling, a flexible build plate, and an enclosed design with an airflow manager, ensuring stable and safe operation. It can reach nozzle temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius and build plate temperatures of 120 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a variety of filament types. Additional features include interchangeable hot ends, enhanced Z-axis rod stiffness for stability, and compatibility with the Raise 3D Hyper Speed Upgrade Kit for boosting printing speeds. The printer operates on Linux and requires a valid phone number for delivery appointments via freight carriers. The extensive compatibility with third-party filaments through the Open Filament program further reinforces its adaptability for diverse printing needs. Number 5. FLASHFORGE Pro 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventura 5M Pro 3D printer combines high performance with user-friendly features, making it an ideal choice for creative enthusiasts. With impressive specifications, including a maximum travel speed of 600 mm per second and quick nozzle heating to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, it allows for rapid realization of designs without sacrificing quality. Its core XY structure and all-metal frame provide stability for intricate details, supported by multiple nozzle sizes for customized printing. The printer features automatic bed leveling through pressure sensing, eliminating the need for manual adjustments and ensuring perfect initial layers, while the dual-sided PEI platform facilitates easy model removal. Additionally, the integrated Flash Maker mobile app enhances user experience with remote monitoring, real-time tracking, and workflow optimization features like auto shutdown and filament detection. Compatible with a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, TPU, PC, PLACF, and PETGCF, the Adventura 5M Pro is designed for versatility, empowering users to tackle various projects from prototypes to robust components with precision and reliability.